So hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to teach you some tips here in Nika Live on how are you going to live and some tips how to be a quality host. So without further ado, let's get started. So how I set up my profile picture. So guys, sa pag-set up ng profile picture guys, kailangan nyo lang naman guys na lagyan yung information about you. And also guys, you need to have a clear profile picture. So having a good quality profile picture guys, makaka-engage kayo and makaka-attract kayo ng maraming viewers to watch your live stream. The next question, how I manage my feed. So guys, yung profile ko dyan guys and also yung mga pinapost ko guys is nagpo-post lang ako guys kapag I feel pretty, kapag I feel like I am presentable. Kasi guys, hindi ako So guys, di naman kasi kailangan si Nikki na mag-post ka ng mag-post everyday. Like, dapat if you want to manage your account legibly, then you need to post something that could describe who you are. That's why I only post in Nika Live when I feel like I am pretty, when I feel like I am confident, and I am showcasing who I am. That's why I always possess this quote that we should always think before clicking. So guys, I am decorating my background using a curtain. Sometimes I use curtain, but now I am not using any curtain anymore because I have a painted wall here. It is only white, and because I feel like white is super clean color, and that's why I could encourage anyone to watch my video, and also to encourage everyone that even though my background is simple, it is still elegant and clean. So, how I schedule my live stream. So, guys, hindi ako nag-schedule ng aking live stream. So, kung may time na ako, dun lang ako nagla-live. Kasi, guys, I don't hold my time or hindi ko hawak yung time ko. Kasi I'm a student and I have so many schedule to do. So, every free time lang talaga ako nagla-live. If there's a free time, then I am doing a live. So, what do I do if I have a low engagement during my live stream? So guys, kapag low engagement ako guys, ang ginagawa ko is pumupunta ako sa live ng iba and I am promoting my live na ganito, magle-live ako ganitong oras, sana manood kayo. Next, yung another na ginagawa ko is nagpo-post ako sa aking moments at sinasabi ko doon na guys, please support my live mamaya, ganito, ganito. I hope that you will join and support me by sending some gifts. Ganun yung ginagawa ko guys. If I have PK naman guys, so naglalagay ako ng note sa aking profile that I have a PK. Ganito, this Saturday, kunyari, 7 p.m., please support me, ganon, so that I could promote my live and so that my viewers can show that note and para din maka-engage sila sa akin and para matulungan din nila ako sa aking PK. So, sa daily task, guys, so how to complete daily task. So, dito guys, basahin nyo lang yung mga task and gawin nyo siya, guys. So, dito, kunyari, kailangan mo lang mag-post ng iyong pictures sa moment mo. Then, kapag na-featured ka, makakakuha ka guys ng 1,000 coins. Then, meron din guys na kailangan mo lang umupo ng 30 minutes dun sa as a guest sa ibang nagla-live. Then, after nun guys, makakakuha ka ng reward kay Nikki kapag na-complete mo nga yung 30 minutes na yon. And sa 30 minutes ngayon guys, kapag nga naglaro ka ng lucky gifts and yung lucky gifts nga na nilaro mo guys is nakuha mo yung quota. Then, if you reach that quota, guys, meron ka ring makukuha na gifts or reward kay Nikki Live. Also, guys, sa kay Nikki, guys, yung daily task rin dito is dapat kailangan mo mag-invite ng 3 friends. And sa 3 friends na yan, guys, may makukuha ka dyan, guys, na rewards sa daily task. Every day yan, guys, dapat 3. Pero kung hindi mo naman makuha, okay lang naman yun, guys. Maraming task dyan, guys, sa daily task na pwede kang may makuhang pera, beans rather, coins, and gifts. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, pumili lang kayo na kaya nyong gawin para mas easy sa inyo na magawa yung task. That's all for today's video. I hope guys na mayroon kayong natutunan and see you in my next video. Bye! Thank you for watching! So before we end, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!